Coming to the backend, as yeah, this is a launcher. This is the first page. We have made what to happen when we press the button hello. So when we can change the image. Just download this image from the Google, or you can put any image. Fine, okay. So we have instructed the IntelliJ what to happen, what to do when we press hello. We should instruct as the same what to do. I mean, what to do when we press this click to move to calculate screen. The thing is that when we put the instruction is that when we click on this button move to calculate screen, we should get this screen, right? So in the this one welcome here page, because okay, welcome here, yeah, welcome here, this is the backend page. See, welcome XML front end, welcome here, the same backend of that page. Okay, so in this page we have to put what we have to instruct the IntelliJ what to do. So the on click button, the on click method which I showed for that button is calc I have given. So public void calc, so I am creating the method. So this is the class and this is the object. This view is a XML Java class for this. So what this so yeah, in this class I have created the object as parameters. So intent I told as this intent which combines the front end and the back end. So I created a new object intent. Creation of object is class name space object name equal to new class name. This is the syntax of in the Java. So I have used the same thing here. So with I also passed the respective what that parameters for this argument. See this and the calculate OPE. See, calculate OPE is this one. Okay, so when we press when user press this button in the backend, this happens. I mean, yeah, this happens. See, this will redirect to the calculate ope dot class. The calculate ope this one. Okay, and start activity intent. Okay, that's fine. Start activity intent. See, start activity is also a method here which starts the activity we loaded in the next Java class for the next screen. So that 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 method will redirect this page to the calculate OPE page where we should write the backend code for the 8 operation like addition, subtraction, or whatever it is. So here I have imported this many. Oh yeah, before that one, in the main screen, in the main XML manifest, I have added that calculate OPE where I told whatever the Java classes we have created, we should add those things in this main, yeah, manifest. So calculate OPE is the Java class, second Java class after welcome here. Welcome here. So I have added after in the second activity calculate OPE. Fine. In this calculate OPE again, now we have to write the code. So before starting, yeah, this will be yeah, right click new after here, right in this Java package, right click new Java class. This will in this package I have imported all this widget, edit text, and all these things. These are by default which are the dependents we have to import that. So I have created a public class calculate OPE extends app compact activity. So this calculate OPE class which I have created inherits all the properties of app compact activity, which is a predefined class. Fine. In that I have created okay. Okay, fine. So that line was not required. Okay, fine. Here I have created this public class. I have made it public. What's that? Yeah, calculate OPE extends the add to override. I have override this method. It's okay if you can erase this add to override. So, but I'll keep. It's not a problem. So in this word, I have created on create bundle saved instance state. So this is a method in this XML Java, and it's super. So in yeah, access specifier is public, and super is a keyword in Java which invokes the immediate parent class of the child from the child class. So on create, so on creating this one, saved instance state. Okay, fine. The instance of the state will be saved on creation of this one, like when he inherits the parent class. So set content view. So after creating that one, we'll set the content view, like the function which occurs will be set according to the r dot layout dot calculate. Calculate here is a front end. So r is a just as system.out.println in the Java, we here use r.layout.calculate, not to print, but he just told to for the sake of understanding purpose. So r.layout r from the which front end, from the which layout we are extracting from the calculate. So from that calculate, according to the inputs from the calculate, like according to the frameworks from the calculate in from the XML file, we'll do the following functions as we write down here below.